lesson. Today's goal is to identify, create, and experiment with shapes found from our combined action movements. Using shapes and using combined action moves are great tools for you to use to create your own choreography or dance. Let's get started with the warm-up, and what I would like you to do is see if you can find any shapes during our warm-up. Remember these shapes because these are great examples to use in your own choreography or dance. Alright guys, let's get started reaching our ears to our shoulders side to side. Good, ready? Up and down. Look side to side. Circle. Big circle. You're tracing it with your nose. Other way. Good. Shoulders, rolling it backwards. You're tracing the circle with your shoulders. Good. Forwards. Big circles. Good job. Ready? One at a time. Backwards. Good. Ready? Forward. Awesome. Make them big circles. Ready? Squeeze up and down. Squeeze up. Squeeze. 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 Little bit faster, huh? One at a time. Good job. Faster. Ready? Go. Awesome job. Reach your arms up. Big circles. Good. Other way. Going in. You can bend your knees if you like. Awesome job. Reach it out and in. Out and in. Reaching your chest out and in. Arms aside. Reaching as far as you can. Try to keep your lower half still. Faster. Good job. Bring your arms to the front. In, up, in, and out. In, up, in, and out. Faster. In, up, in, out. In, up, in, out. Good job. Let's go to the side now. In, out, in, up. Faster. In, out, in, up. Good job. One more time. Good. And breathe. Hips side to side. Stay on the feet. Look at your hips side to side. Good job. Circle them around. Big circles. Good job. Let's go the other way. Good. And release feet together. Let's go up and down on our toes. Ready? And up. And up. 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 Good. Try to stay balanced. You can put your arms out like this if you need help. Good job. Bring your knees up. Bring those knees up really high. Good. Turn around. Good job. Other way. Good job. Side to side step. Step together. Step together. Add a slide more. Slide. Slide. Cross step. Out. Cross. Out. Cross. Out. Cross. Back step. Out. Back. Out. Back. Out. Back. A little bit faster. Good job. And freeze. Let's do our box step now. We're going to step forward. We're gonna cross, we're gonna go back, and then out, okay? Try it with me, slow. Here we go. Forward, cross, back, out. Forward, cross, back, out. Forward, cross, back, out. Forward, cross, back, other side. Forward, cross, back, out. Forward, cross, back, out. Forward, cross, back, out. Forward, cross, back, jumping jacks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more in count. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 3. Breathe in. Reach for your toes. And take a seat. Turn around. Ab workout. Ready? Pick up your legs. Hold it here. Bring one arm if you can, or leave your arms here. Next challenge, 2 arms. Good job. We're going to go side to side. Ready? Side, side. Really reaching, turning through your torso. Side to side. Keep it going. We're almost done. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Bring your feet together. Go in circles. Other way. Good. Bring your head down to your toes. And up. Hands on your knees. Bring them in. See if you can stand up. Now hands. Good job, everyone. Great energy during your warm-up, everyone. What shapes did you identify during our warm-up? There are plenty of shapes that can be found in any kind of movement. For instance, when we did circle, we can see circle when we move our head around in a circle, our shoulders, and our arms. What's great about this is that we're not stuck in a frozen shape. We're tracing the shape, whether it's with our nose, our shoulders, or our arms. We want to make sure that when we're creating shapes in our body, that we are creating movement and not just freezing in the shape. Another shape that can be found in our warm-up was rectangle. When you reached up and then you bent at the same time, which is a combined action move, you are going to create a rectangular prism. That's a 3-dimensional shape. You could say rectangle or rectangular prism, whichever you prefer. Another shape that can be found in our warm-up was a triangle or a pyramid. When we stepped in place and brought our knees up, so we're stepping and bending, a combined action move, we're creating triangles in the space between our knee and leg. I'll turn to the side so you can see. You see here is a triangle. Every time we pick it up, you're going to see that triangle. Whenever we're doing cross steps, we also can see a triangle. We are stepping and tapping, another combined action step. And we are going to freeze here, and you'll notice a triangle right here. Also a triangle when we open up. What I would like you to do now is pause the video and think of any combined action moves or any shapes that you would like to use in your own dance. You're going to create 2 8 counts of choreography or of a dance using any ideas of shapes or combined action moves that you have. For example, I might choose triangle and diamond. I want to use a triangle and diamond. What combined action moves help me create that shape? Well, we know that when we step, we instantly create triangles. And when we bend, we also can create triangles. So let's put those together, stepping and bending. Stepping and bending at the same time. Oh, we also have a tap. So when we do that, we have 3 action moves combined at the same time. And we're creating a triangle and a diamond right here. Go ahead and pause the video and start your 2 8 counts of shapes and combined action moves. Alright, let's get started with the choreography. For your first move, I want you to step a little back if you have room in your house, and you're going to take 2 small steps forward, starting with the right foot. 1, 2. you're going to point out your left arm, then your right arm on and 3. Your feet are going to go and 3. Let's try that. So we step 1, 2, and 3. On 4, you're going to be dramatic. You're going to go like this. Okay? Let's try that again. So we are going to walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, and 3. Notice how long my arms are. I'm reaching out and pointing. It's like a rectangle. And then on 4, you're going to reach your arms out like this. And I want you to kind of create a 90-degree angle, almost like you're making your own square or rectangle here. Okay? Again, from the walk, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, point 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. On 4, I also lean a little bit to the left. So I have a triangle here, and then I break the triangle with my knee to the right, Ready? Again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, point, and 3, 4. Great. Next part. You're going to reach with the left hand. 5, and I lean over to this side, and then the other side. 6. Then you're going to bend your elbows. 7, and then you're going to clap and pick up your right foot. 8. Good. Let's try that again from the top slope. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's what it is. So 5, reach 6, bend 7, and 8. So those last 2 moves are a little fast. 7 and 8. Let's try it from the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step across on 1. Okay, again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now on the 1, this is going to step across. 1. You're going to now, you've twisted up, and you have a triangle here. We need to unravel the triangle and make it go the other way. So you're going to unravel and untwist and turn around. So my feet did not move. They didn't come off the floor. They just pivoted around. So from here, 8, I step. 1, I pivot around like my feet are glued to the floor and they only can twist. 2. When I do that, I push off this foot to make sure that all my weight is in the front. Let's try it again. 7, 8. 1, 2. Now I can take this foot, which is free because all my weight's in the front, and step out. 3, and then step back 4. At the same time, my arms are going to look like they're holding 2 plates and go right, left, right. So we have 8. We step on 1. We turn around 2. We step out 3 and 4. So I start with the plates, double time. This foot goes to the back. Double time means you just go a little bit faster than the normal time. Here we go. We have 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk 1, 2, and 3, 4. Reach 5, reach 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, turn 2. Serve the plates. Make sure that foot goes behind. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I always say one more time. It's always a lie. Let's do this one last time a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. All right, your next move, you're going to take this back foot, pick it up, and you're going to step down and pick up the front foot at the same time. So it looks like a little hop. Good. Put that foot back down again and practice that. Take the foot off the floor, pick up this foot, switch. At the same time, this is going to make half a circle back. Then you do the other side. Hop and pick up the foot, half a circle back. So all you're doing is, it's kind of like you're ice skating backwards. Half circles, like you're sliding your foot around, okay? So you're constantly hopping onto the next foot. In the middle of that, you're swinging the foot backwards. Let's try it again from serving the plates. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We go 5, 6. Now you're going to step back on this foot, and it's kind of like a horse moment, like a horse trotting, and you're going to go 7 and 8. So if I look, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. It's this motion. I am stepping on just the toes, pushing the floor, and leaving this leg somewhat straight. I bend the knee a little bit so I don't hurt my knee. But you want to push off this leg and let this one come up straight, almost straight. So then it looks like you're on a horse. But we're going to do it 2 times slow. 1, 2, yeah? So not too fast. So we just finished on 3 and 4. We go around 5, around 6, 2 horse trots, 7 and 8. So my arms are scooping up, kind of like you're picking up a huge basket or a big ball and you're rolling it in. 7, and then you're going to turn your hands out, and from the middle, 8. Good. Let's try it from this again. Actually, let's try it from here. Let's try it from the clap. So we have 7, clap, 8. We step 1, we turn 2, we go 3 and 4, around 5, 6, 4, 7 and 8, and good. Try that again from the 8, 5, 6, 7, clap, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and good. Let's try it from the very top, slow. 5, 6, 7, walk, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Reach 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's try that one more time, a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and good job. Let's move on to the next step. We just finished 7 and 8, and so my weight's on the front foot. Now I'm going to reach this foot out to my left, hands on my hips or on your shirt, and bend your knees. We now have what you call a house position, second position in parallel, but it also is a pentagon. So you create a pentagon with your legs. So again, we have 7 and 8, and 1 is where you should be here. Again, 7 and 8, and 1. You're going to take 4 seconds to come back. So you're making somewhat of a half circle shape, tracing it with your nose. So 1, 2, 3, together, 4. At the same time, I want you to pump your chest out. You're reaching, squeeze your shoulder blades together. And it makes your chest go out. Let's try that again slow. We go 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go the other way. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 and 8 are the numbers that you pop your chest out. Boom, boom. Let's try it from 7, 8 again from the horse. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's put it all together now from the top. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. We walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try that one time fast. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Let's move on to the next step. You are going to cross your arms on your shoulders, uncross, and point up to the sky and down. The numbers are 1, 2, 3. Your feet are just moving backwards on 1, 2, 3. When I do that, I pop the opposite knee. So if I step back with the right foot, my left knee pops. Then when I step back with the left foot, my right knee pops. Practice that for a second. If you need to, step forward and try it again. We pop it, pop it, pop it. Good. When I do that, I roll off my foot from heel all the way to the ball of my foot to my toe. Try it again. So we go 1, 2, 3. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good. Moving on. We're going to jump on this foot. Now we're going to open our arms like a big explosion and then come back in as small as we can. Squeezing in. So when you explode forward, you're going to jump on this foot. Then you're going to jump back onto the back leg, your right foot. And then come together. So it's 3 noises you should hear. 1, 2, 3. Boom, bam, boom. Got it? Let's try it from here. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and then and 4. You're going to go and 4. 5 is when we come together. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to jump on it, and 4, 5, 6, bob your head, 7, 8. So think about pushing your chin up. 7, 8. Good. Let's try that again. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you do that last part, the explosion part, you have 1, 2. Think about right on 3, you're going to push off of it. 3 and 4. So think of a rocking chair when you do that motion. So when you step back, 1, 2, I'm going to step back on this 3, and pick up this foot a little bit, so I'm ready to jump on it. And 4, 5, okay? Good job. Make sure your arms are straight when you're pointing out. Make sure when you're crossing, you make the cross here. When you unravel it, let it swipe across your chest onto your shoulders. You're kind of making mini triangles at this moment, so really make this big. Open your fingers to make it a little more dramatic, okay? Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's put it all together from the top. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Let's move on to the next step. We finished here on 7, 8. We are now going to move our shoulders, kind of like what we do in our warm-up, one at a time, with our arms crossed. If you want, you can pick them off. You're squeezing onto your chest, but you can pick them up just a little to help you have a little more movement, okay? It's kind of like you're making a square right here. So keep those hands under the elbows. Cool? So we have 7, 8. We're going to step side to side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So our feet move 1, 2, 3, 4, but my shoulders are going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Next, you're going to do a move called kick and switch. You're going to kick out your right foot. Kick. You're going to switch by pushing it on the floor and jumping onto the other foot and pushing that leg out and reaching out here to make a triangle to the side. Then you're going to take the outside leg, bring it in, kick with this leg, and switch. Let's try that a couple times. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Good job. Now what we're going to do is show the arms. The arms kind of push forward, and I can snap, or you can keep it quiet, but cross them forward. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Good. You're going to do kick and switch just 2 times. Let's start from here, and remember, it is 2 kick and switches. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good. Moving on. Our hands stay here. We turn into fists. Now we're going to keep this rectangular shape that we have in our arms, elbow to elbow, as if we can't have one over the other. They have to be in line with each other. We're going to do the same idea with our shoulders, going side to side for 4 counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you do 2 kick and switches again. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. Let's put it together from this moment again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick and switch. Kick and switch. Good. When you're getting ready for this part, we just finished the last kick and switch with this foot, right? So we brought it in, kick and switch. When I switch, I just tap the foot. My weight is here. So that way I can start tap, and then I can start the 1. Step on it. Okay? So kick and switch again. You kick, step on it, tap. Kick, step on it, tap. Good. Let's do it from the very top slowly. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good job, everyone. Let's do it one more time really fast, just like we would do it with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. At the very end, what's going to happen is you're going to use your 2 8 counts of choreography that you created earlier. So as soon as we finish the last kick and switch, we're here, 7 and 8. You are going to start your choreography, and I'm going to point at you. And you're going to take your 2 8 counts to go. And then that'll be the end of the dance. Alright, let's get started, but before we do, make sure you pause the video and retry the steps again if you're lost. Remember, you always have that option to stop the video and rewind. Alright, here we go. We do our choreography, then you do your last 2 8 counts at the end. We'll do this 2 times around. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Walk 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, all today. What were 2 shapes that you can perform at the same time that you identified in our choreography today? What shapes were the hardest or most challenging to perform with an action move? Was it easier for you to come up with your movement based off an action move or based off a shape? Your challenge today is to take the first 2 8 counts you created in lesson 1 and combine it with the next 2 8 counts you created today in lesson 2. That means your action move choreography in lesson 1, you're going to perform those 2 8 counts. As soon as you're done, you're going to perform the next 2 8 counts of shapes choreography that you did today. You'll have a total of 4 8 counts, performing it all together. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for dancing with me, and I'll see you at the next lesson. Bye-bye!